Dear students, once again I am here to teach you English language for classes 6 to 8. The topic is articles. What is articles? The words a, an, and the are called articles. They come before nouns. Always remember, articles belong to a group of words called determiners. Now, kinds of articles. There are two kinds. First one is indefinite article. Second one is definite article. Indefinite article, a or an is called the indefinite article because it leaves indefinite person or thing spoken of. For example, a doctor. It can be any doctor. Another example, I saw a boy in the playground. That means any boy, not definite boy. He said he would have an orange. That means any orange, not definite orange. The second one is definite article. The is called definite article because it points out some particular person or thing as example, he saw the doctor, meaning some particular doctor. Another example, the monitor went to call the teacher. The monitor of the class, the teacher of the class. Second, the sun rises in the east. That means sun, a particular object, east, a particular direction. So, my dear students, we have learned about indefinite and definite articles. Now, point by point, let us learn how to use the indefinite article. Use of the indefinite article. A. Article a or an is used before singular countable nouns as example, a hen laid an egg. Second, an elephant killed a girl. B. First point. Article A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound as a dog, a pen, a boy, a computer, a house, a fan, a year, etc. Second point. Words which begin with YU sound as a European, a university, a uniform, a union, a useful thing. Third, words which begin with W sound as a 1 rupee coin, a one-legged man. C. Number 1. Articles an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound as an ox, an ear, an elephant, an eye, an umbrella, etc. Second, article an is used before nouns that begin with a consonant but have a vowel sound as an MA, an MP. Third, article an is used before a word beginning with a silent H as an hour, an honest man. Again, point by point, let us learn how to use the definite article. The use of the definite article. The definite article the is used. First point, when we talk about a particular person or thing or one already referred to as let's go to the library. It means the library in the city or in the school. Second, when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class as example, their dog is a faithful animal. Second, the cow is a useful animal. So here the dog and the cow. Third, before some popular names as A. Rivers, the Ganga, the Yamuna. B. Oceans, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Red Sea. C. Canals, the Suez Canal, the Panama Canal. D. Deserts, the Sahara Desert, the Thar Desert. E. The group of islands, the West Indies. F. Mountain ranges, the Himalayas. Fourth, before the names of countries which include words like republic and kingdom as the Irish Republic, the United Kingdom. Fifth, before names of certain books as the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran. Sixth, before names of things unique of their kind as the sun, the moon, the sea. 7. With superlatives as the best book, the tallest building. 8. With ordinal as the first man, the sixth chapter. 9. Before musical instrument as she can play the piano. 10. Before an adjective when the noun is understood as the rich should help the poor. So, dear students, we have studied how to use the indefinite and definite articles. Now, next, omission of the article. The article is omitted before. First one is proper nouns as A. Names of cities Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, Agra, Jaipur. B. Names of countries India, Nepal, Pakistan, China, Sri Lanka. C. Names of people Nehru, Ashoka, Akbar, Gandhi. D. Names of individual mountains, that's Mount Everest. E. Names of streets Mahatma Gandhi Road, Victoria Street. F. Names of the days of the week Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. G. Names of the months of the year January, February, March, April, etc. Second, uncountable nouns used in a general sense. Gold is a precious metal. Here, gold and a metal. Second, plural countable nouns used in a general sense. Children like sweets. Here, children. Fourth, languages. We are studying French. So, language is French. Fifth, names of meals. Dinner, breakfast, etc. Example, dinner is ready. So, here, dinner. Sixth, names of relations. Father, mother, brother, sister, etc. So, dear students, I hope you might have understood the topic articles. Thank you.